What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at a 2006 Harley Davidson Heritage Softail. Guys, this is a killer looking bike. It's got the studded saddlebags. Obviously, it's basically all stock pipes, stock bars. It was a local trade, but let's check this beast out. Rear fender actually looks pretty good. We got some light scratches on the back there, if you can see that, and that, and that. Got a little bit of rust up here near that rear bolt. We got some scratches all along there. See that, some scratches. I mean, that's pretty typical with the back fender. I mean, people are putting on and off seats or putting on sissy bars, or, you know, they get scratched. Underneath there's a little scratch. The bags aren't bad though. I mean, these bags typically tend to sag just naturally. So, you know, when someone tells me that their bags are really bad, it's usually just pretty natural for the bag to be looking like that. This tank actually looks pretty darn good. Tank looks great. Top of the dash looks awesome. Yeah, this actually looks like it's not too faded, which is kind of nice. Some of them get real faded and real weird. Just the stock grips, stock mirrors, big old headlight in the front, and then all this chrome looks good, guys. I mean, it's pretty clean. I'm pretty impressed. It's got low mileage, but you know, you never know with some people if they keep it outside or something. But this looks good. Scratch right there. It's a nice deep blue paint job. Okay, there's like a slight. It's not. You can see that kind of there. It's like a slight indent. It's not very noticeable unless you rub your hand over it. If you can see that right there, it's right there. Kind of catches the reflection. You can see that right there. Not a huge deal. Lower forks kind of looking as the normal lower forks look. If they don't have the chrome cover on them. Tank looks like it's in great shape. All the chrome looks good. It looks like the running boards are. I mean, everything looks stock, but everything looks pretty good. This is a little dirty. It's pretty typical though. It's like a matte finish, so it's kind of hard sometimes to get that out. A little tiny bit of rust in there on that bolt. Not a huge deal. Bag's just obviously have the normal clip. Yeah, bags look good on the inside. Pull this flat down. Yeah. Looking good. Seat looks good. Not really seeing any tears. Sissy bar looks good. Backrest. Top of the tank, it's just got the standard plasticky one, and then you can switch those out. That looks pretty good. But we only have 7,900 miles on this beast. It actually fires up and runs like a champ. One thing I want to point out, two things I want to point out. Quick detach windshield, which is super cool, and it's in really good shape. Like, it doesn't have a ton of scratches on it. The other thing is the Fat Boy rims on it. It does not have the normal Heritage rims that are spoked. We did just put brand new tires on it, so that's something to note. Brand new tire in the front, Fat Boy solid rim in the back, and a brand new tire on the back. Like I said, guys, 2006 Harley Davidson Heritage Softail. It's a great running bike, guys. Great looking bike. Low mileage, 7,000 miles. These bikes never last long, so if it's something you want, definitely let us know, because these bikes go so quick. People love these bikes. I love riding these bikes. They're an awesome two-up bike or a cruiser. But thanks for watching, guys.